Hi everyone. Okay, I got my Cocoa Daisy in. I got it in last week, but it's been a madhouse over here at my house. So let's take out and let's see what we got for this month. I'm so excited. I know it's called Lemon Grove. Oh, that is so pretty. And then this is the message we get each month. So that's neat. Okay. So I am thinking that I get the planner add-on, the Traveler's Notebook kit, and the standard Dory kit. I am thinking of giving up the standard Dory kit. I pay $83 a month, and I have a lot of kit subscriptions out right now, and I'm just thinking I need to stop. I need to really stop. So let me just open one. I don't know which one is which. And only because I'm getting way more kits than I have time to play with. And you know how that goes. And I'll never waste it because my husband retires in less than 6 years. And so I'm keeping everything that way. When we're on a completely fixed income for the rest of our lives together, then I don't have to worry about stuff. I can still have plenty to play with. So this is the TN kit. And this is the TN kit because we get a sketch and a how to do a layout. So this is the sketch, which I like. I need to get a hole punch and punch these into a folder because I love it. That's just beautiful. That's really beautiful. So that's cool. Okay, so this is the TN kit, which this is the one I'm for sure keeping. But $83 is what I pay for all three of these. And I just signed up for Citrus Twist, you guys. I totally did. And so I'm going to do an unboxing of Citrus Twist next. And because I can't, I'm like, it's awesome. There's sunshine in my soul today. I love tags. Absolutely adore tags. So let's see. We get dashboards. These are called the dashboards. And what's cool about Cocoa Daisy is that you can get different subscriptions. So if you just want dashboards, if you just want the stamp, then that's what you can order. You don't have to order all of this stuff. So remember, they're double-sided. So this is the first one. I love the green. I absolutely love the green. That's that one. The orange is pretty. This reminds me of the tile, you know, back in the day when we were, you know, if you're born in the 70s and growing up in the 80s, it reminds me of that. So awesome. And then that's bus. And then you can easily cut these and use those as embellishments instead. So totally cool. So I love getting all these dashboards. So you get the dashboards, you get a tag. This is the actual TN insert. It's a standard size Dory. And then this one has decorative areas for you to either add a picture or add an embellishment. See, that would be great for an embellishment cluster. I have not played in these yet, you guys. This is what I'm saying. I got to cancel something because I'm not playing in them. I have a butt ton of these. I mean, I've been a subscriber for 2 or 3 years, and I've only used like one. So I need to do something. And there's just not enough time. But it's okay, because eventually I will be using them. But I love this one a lot more. I like this one a lot more. The only sad part would be the standard, getting rid of the standard Dory kit, is because I like those extras. You know, I would like to have something like that, but without the extras. I mean, with the extras only, not the actual standard Dory. So, because I don't need any more of those. And then here's the washi tape we get. It's like an Italian tile, isn't it? I think that's what it reminds me of. Oh, look at these, are really hefty. Oh my gosh, these are, you can feel them through the plastic. These are really hefty paper clips. Look how thick they are. Yeah, those are a really good one. That's a really good. And I love tags. Tags are just amazing. And look at you get. Now, Dearly D, I follow her. She's a guest designer for them, for Cocoa Daisy this month. And she's been rocking her videos with Cocoa Daisy stuff. So go watch them if you need inspiration, because she's amazing. I love the tags. See, I want to use these for my project life. I really do. I think I get 2. I'm hoping I get 2, because I would really love to keep one in my craft room and then one in my tan room. Okay, and then these are the alphabets we get. The letters. They're a good size. They're a good size to put in here. So like you can totally fit like week. You could fit week in there. Oh, we get. Whoop. Okay, and then here's the. I love these two. I love everything Cocoa Daisy makes. Let me see. Sorry. Let's see. Summer. Ah, cute. And then, ooh, pretty. And then Sun and Fun. Little. It's not chipboard because it's too thin. These are really thin. These are chips, right? Wood chips. I think that's what they're called, wood chips. Sunshine. Cute. And then this is a stencil. I think this is a stencil. But I don't even think you'd have to use it as a stencil. I would use it as an embellishment. I don't really do too much with stencils, so that's why I would say I would use it as that. Then you get puffy letters. I love getting these every month. That's awesome. And then I love these too. I actually transferred all of these that I get each month into my craft room, because I'm like, I can utilize them more in my project life than I can in my TN right now. So, and then, oh, I don't have to open it because it's in the back. Look at how many you get of these ephemera packs. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Hello Sunshine, Everyday Stories. How cute. So that is, now let me think. I think it's like 40, I think it's like 38, between $35 and $45 for this kit. I don't remember off the top of my head, because I just, you know, I have the cumulative of all 3 kits. So I don't know what they are individually. And then plus I did the 6-month subscription for everything. So I love the pens. The pens are just pretty, and then they always have this gold, or not gold, but the gems in the middle. And it's a good weight. It's a good little head dunker. Not enough to break glass, so that's good. I have a squirrel in my backyard that is just like he's melted. It's cold here in California, but he's melted on top of my statue that I have in the backyard. It's so funny. It's like he's hung over and he's in the statue's the toilet. It's kind of weird. So this is washi tape. How cute. Very pretty. Oh, look at the lemon. I love getting the notepads. The notepads are like awesome. It's a lemon. And then I love getting the extra tag. I'm all trying to take it out. It's not going to come out. Oh, let's see. We get another. Ooh, is this one colored? This one might be colored. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, look at that. It's a foam. It's a foam, and it's beautiful blue. This is a sparkly, glittery. Does it come off on your hands? It doesn't come off, so that's good. It's beautiful. I love the blue. The blue is amazing. And then here's this embellishment pack. See, this is, so it isn't the same as the TN kit. So this is what I would be missing, and I'm kind of like, that's the only reason why I'm like, oh man, because this is all separate from that. Oh, I don't know, guys. Oh, see, I don't think I can get rid of it. Oh, and maybe I'll get rid of my spill binders, the card kit. Maybe I'll do that. I'll probably end up doing that one, because this one I can't let this go, because this is all unique and awesomeness right here. This is just, you get a bag. I mean, you get your money's worth with this company. So, not that you don't with Spellbinders, but like I said, I have a lot of kits out right now. So, decisions. But these are good decisions to have, so it means I'm doing okay. Squeeze the day. I love that. It's a lemon. So it's okay. I'm not complaining at all. It's just it's a fun dilemma, and I'm grateful. So squeeze the day. Oh gosh, this totally reminds me of like my mom. So this is just awesome. It just, you know, it's awesome. Now I just need like a green refrigerator or you know, something like that. That would be fun. You know, like the pink bathrooms and how funny. So, and another tag, which I love getting the 2 tags. These I will be putting up for sale because I don't use these at all. So I have collected all of them, and I'm going to put them for sale because I don't use them. And then you get the refills for the pen, which is cool. And then here, these are different dashboards, I think they are. Yeah, they're different dashboards. And you usually get 3. So there they are. You get 3. So this one is this one. So that one is that one. That's your one. And then this one is this one. And then this one is this one. I love it. So pretty. And I think they're changing something too. I want to say I read that somewhere, but I'm not sure. It's hard to follow along sometimes on what everybody is changing. So it's like someone's changing this. Even like Disneyland, they're doing something different with their Flex Pass or something like that. So everyone's changing. It's so hard to keep an eye on. See, this is the book that I don't want. So maybe at this point what I'll do is I'll just sell this separately and keep this stuff. That's what I'll probably end up doing, because I have a ton of these and I'm not using them at all. And I don't need them all. But I'm not sure. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, my husband's going to be retiring, and then what? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of all the Facebook groups. I'm going to get out of everything. I'll probably even get out of Facebook. That way I don't have to see any of these goodies at all ever again to know what I'm missing. So, and then you know what you do is you put away all your stuff. You put it into boxes, and like every 6 months you put away something into like a good banker's box or something. And then at the end of the 6 months you get a new box, and you fill that, and then you get out the old box, and it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas, and you're like, oh my God, look what I have. That's probably what I'll do. Make my own little Christmas gifts every 6 months. So that is the that's the standard Dory kit. I just love talking to you guys, so just talking on my butt right now. So let's see. I love the sun and the fun, or sun and fun. That's awesome. Okay, so that's the other kit. Now my desk is a little bit messy right now, so you're gonna have to forgive me for not moving things completely out of the way. I think last time I shoved things out of the way and I ended up damaging a couple of papers. So I'm like, don't shove things out of the way. So, and these videos are more of you got to watch than you can listen. So that's okay. Oh, look at this, you guys. It's like a little mini TN book. Oh, I love it. I know that we've been getting these, and we put the notepads in there like this. This is what this is for. And then you put your pen. You put your pen in here. See? Like that. And then you can put like some cash or a note or whatever, your check or something in there. And then you can take it with you. And you can be all like color coordinated. That is, I love getting this. See, this is the planner add-on. Just, yeah. It's amazing. And can you believe, you guys, it's, I think, what is it, like the 18th, no, 15, 16, today's like the 17th, and it's almost time again for sneak peeks and for the next month to arrive. And I'm so late unboxing this one. Oh, I love, see, it's like an ombre thing. I love that. So cool. Oh, look it. This is amazing. I love this one. This one is by far my favorite. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. You know, because, you know, I'm in my 40s, and so growing up, we had the library cards, you know, we had to get our date stamps in them, and it was a good childhood. You know, it was, back in the day, it was awesome when we got to have, you know, simple things. And so this just reminds me of, you know, reading all the time and checking out books and getting that date stamp when it's due back and writing your name, and good memories, you guys. So that's awesome. I love that. And I'm pretty sure Christine, the owner, is in her 40s also, so I think that is awesome. I find my happiness when the sun shines. No, that's not true. Less to do's, more to does. Ta-das. Oh, look at, be stronger than your strongest excuse. Oh, that's nice. I like that. And now my squirrel is coming inside the patio. Cute. I love this. His head's halfway in. His name is Bristle. These are the ones I'm also selling. And of course he found a new hole. And these are the ones I keep, because those are good for Project Life also. It's like a little spider monkey. Okay, and then these are the embellishments. I don't think I showed you those. So everybody's snoring in my household. They're making me tired. Okay, that's the planner add-on. So, oh my gosh, 17 minutes, you guys. This was worth $83. It really was. This is just nirvana right here. So if you guys, hi Bristle, if you guys want to subscribe, all that description in the description box, everything is there for you to email Mary Kay if you want to subscribe. I don't see why not, because it's amazing each and every month. And if you subscribe, email Mary Kay and let her know that I referred you, and we both get $10 off the store. When we spend $20 or more, you get $10 off. It cannot go towards subscriptions though. So you guys, we'll see you all next month. We'll take care. All right, guys. Bye.